Hey guys, magandang araw po mula dito sa United Kingdom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything wherever you are in the world. I hope you are doing well po. Again, my name is Brian. I am a nurse here in the United Kingdom and an online business owner. I just want to answer some of your questions regarding my digital business journey. So, bakit pa nga ba ako nag-online business? Nurse naman ako dito sa abroad. Alam naman natin na pag nagtrabaho ka abroad, medyo malaki ang kita mo. Totoo po yun, pero kagaya niyo po, napapagod din po ako. Kaya naghanap po ako ng ibang income streams o yung tinatawag natin na passive income. Kasi naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na wala pong empleyado na yumayaman. Because the moment you stop working, you stop earning. Pero yung bills po natin at mga gastusin, araw-araw po yan. Kaya naghanap po ako ng ibang sources of income. And I was fortunate enough to come across this online business platform kasi binigay niya sa akin yung flexibility. I can work anywhere and anytime I want at yung work-life balance, which is napaka-importante kasi nakaka-burnout po talaga yung trabaho as a nurse. Kaya malaki po yung pasasalamat ko sa mga tumulong sa akin at sumusuporta sa akin dito sa aking online business. If you wanna know more on how I did my online business or how I started my online business, you can just send me a message and I will share it to you. Or you can visit my website, ilalagay ko yan dito. And have a good day po. God bless. Bye!